Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk about the Aquila 32. What a great boat this is. It's so versatile. It does everything very, very well. The cat riding on it is fantastic. It's powered by the twin Mercs, the 300s, the Made in America Mercury. You gotta love them. And if you're swimming off the back of the boat, you've got a ladder that deploys all the way down. So it's real easy, real safe to get on and off the boat from inside in the water. So nice feature there. You got storage all underneath here. And then let's move into the cockpit and see the rest. As we're moving into the cockpit area, let's start at the back. You've got 2 bench seats. This is a triple, this is a double, so 5 adults, very comfortable. These will actually fold down, so they make sun pads all the way across here, which is a really nice feature on the boat if you just want to be hanging out and sunning. And it's got a shade that comes all the way out and covers all the way to here. So it's it's a really, if you want the sun, it's great. If you don't want it, open it all the way up, give you all sun protection in here. So we move over to the port side. We've got a folding table. We got it extended here, double, so you can put another 4 adults comfortably in here. Also has a neat little combo here. You got drink holders, so I got 4 drink holders for the people that are sitting here, and you got gigantic storage in here. I mean, you can fit your whole house in there. It's plenty of room. And then as we move over to the starboard side, again, another bench seat over here, 3 more adults comfortable, more storage underneath here. And let's move to the helm area. So it's set up very nice and neat, nice and clean. It's set up with a large Ray Marine, so you can divide this up. I can have a fish finder, I can have a chart plotter, you can have radar, you can have that all up on here. Your smart craft, computer, fusion stereo, and then you've got the joystick. So a lot of times with a cat, they're not always easy to dock with having control. But the joystick works very well because the engines are very far apart, so you don't get prop wash sometimes when they're close together. So you have really good control. I can make this boat go sideways, and you don't see many cats going sideways. So, so nice feature on this. You've got autopilot, it's an auto heading. It's a point and shoot autopilot. Doesn't get any easier than that. And then also you've got skyhook. So if I'm pulling into a marina and they're going to give me a starboard side tie, I just hit the skyhook button. It locks me in place with the GPS, and then I can do everything. I put the lines all out comfortably, the fenders all out, take my time, boat's not moving, I don't have to come back and try to adjust because I'm getting too close to something. Just a really nice feature on this boat. I happen to love it myself. So you've got a secondary seat, bolster footrests on there, storage inside here. And as we move down into the cabin, it's a real large sleeping, 2 adults, very comfortable in here. It's air conditioned, so you've got it's plenty of room down there. You got windows all in here, so you got plenty of daylight in there as well. So the cabin is very nice, very spacious. And then you've got a little galley set up here. So we have a grill. The electric grill is fantastic. The grease does not go onto the burners. It goes in between them, so it's not smoky. It's not filling the boat with smoke. So the grill's fantastic. Get a sink area here, refrigerator with a freezer. So you can keep a bag of ice up here for your martinis, place to keep a couple bottles of white wine. Here, and let's see. Got some skylights up in the hardtop right here, so you can have extra air coming through. Just a nice big hardtop on it. Gives you plenty of protection, speakers, lights, everything else. So let's move over to the head. So the head's very large. So it's got a vacuum flush on. It's an electric head. You've got a window in there. You can open it up and get yourself some fresh air if you need it. You've got a handheld for a shower. So you can you clean yourself up, no problem. So it's a really good size head. And let's move up to the bow. So the bow is very comfortable. I've got it opened up here so you can see the space differently here. You can fit 1 adult comfortably. You can fit 2 adults very comfortably over here. And then this actually here, this will spin, fits in here, so this becomes one big sun pad. So just a great comfortable seating here. So this boat holds a lot of people. You've got storage in here, huge storage for lines, fenders, that type of thing. More storage on this side, same thing. They go way down. It's going to be 3.5 feet deep on both sides. You've got your windlass with automatic windlass there. And you've got a ladder that goes off the front with a rail to get in, so you can actually board from the front of the boat as well. So the boat is interchanges exceptionally well. Everybody's comfortable, plenty of room. You're not sitting on top of one another. It's a cat. It runs great. If you've got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.